Choosing the right plunger boils down to matching its shape and suction capability to the fixture you need to clear. For a standard toilet, choose a plunger with a large rubber cup plus an attached flange that folds out to create a tight seal inside the bowl. Press the flange flat and position the cup so it covers the drain opening completely before you push and pull in controlled bursts to move water, not air. For sinks or tubs, use a cup plunger without a flange because the flat rim seals better on flat surfaces, and you should block any overflow drain with a wet rag first to maximize pressure. If you encounter a stubborn clog, use long, steady strokes, keeping the seal intact, and finish with a rapid pull to break the blockage free. And if you have access to a drain snake, use it after plunging to remove any remaining debris. Avoid using small sink brushes or bottle plungers on toilets because their limited cup size and shape cannot form the necessary seal and will waste effort. Look at packaging labels for terms like toilet plunger or cup plunger and note materials. Soft, flexible rubber conforms better to irregular seals, while harder rubber retains its shape for repeated heavy use. Keep the plunger handle perpendicular to the surface to maintain even force and rinse, and dry the plunger after each use to prevent odors and degradation of the rubber. Common mistakes include choosing a plunger by appearance alone, which often leads to a poor seal and wasted effort. So always test the cup size against the fixture before purchase and return it, or choose another if it does not cover the drain fully. Another issue is using excessive force or rapid jabs, which can splash contaminated water or damage fixtures, so use steady controlled strokes and increase force gradually while maintaining the seal. Finally, many people try to clear a toilet clog with a small sink plunger or a cleaning brush, which lacks suction and often compacts the clog further. Swap to a proper flange toilet plunger or a straight cup plunger for sinks, and consider alternating with a drain auger for persistent blockages. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by letting us post project needs and browse local professionals ready to bid on work, helping you compare options quickly and find someone suited to the job. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences so both homeowners and contractors can make better decisions.